In a world where every corner seems mapped and every secret revealed, there remain places untouched by time. These isolated corners of the earth are wild, remote, and often shrouded in mystery. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the most isolated places on our planet, where nature reigns supreme and humanity feels like an afterthought. From the frozen wastelands of Antarctica to the depths of the Mariana Trench, we'll explore environments that have challenged life itself to adapt and thrive. Join me as we venture to the far corners of our planet, where the air grows thin, the seas rage untamed, and the land whispers tales of resilience and survival. We'll witness the beauty of isolation, the power of nature, and the delicate balance that sustains life in these extraordinary places. Prepare to be amazed by the wonders that await us, for we are about to embark on a journey into the heart of Earth's most isolated places. Our journey begins in the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth, Antarctica. Covering an area larger than Europe, this frozen continent is a land of extremes, with temperatures dropping as low as -128 degrees Fahrenheit. Antarctica is so inhospitable that only the hardiest life forms can survive. The landscape is dominated by towering glaciers, vast ice shelves, and mountain ranges that pierce the sky. Beneath the endless sheets of ice lies a hidden world, vast subglacial lakes like Lake Vostok that have been sealed off from the surface for millions of years. Scientists believe these lakes may hold undiscovered microbial life, providing clues about life on other planets. But Antarctica isn't just about the cold. It's also home to incredible wildlife, uniquely adapted to this unforgiving environment. Emperor penguins, the largest of their kind, march across the ice in tightly packed colonies, braving the brutal winter to raise their young. These remarkable creatures endure months of darkness and freezing temperatures, relying on their social bonds and incredible resilience to survive. Humpback whales, giants of the ocean, migrate to Antarctic waters to feed on krill. Their massive bodies are testament to the abundance of life that thrives in these icy waters. They communicate with haunting songs that echo through the water, a reminder of the mysteries hidden beneath the surface. Weddell seals, perfectly adapted to life in the coldest waters, dive into the freezing depths, their thick blubber shielding them from the cold. They navigate the icy labyrinth beneath the surface, hunting for fish and squid in a world hidden from our view. For humans, Antarctica remains the ultimate frontier. The only people who live here are researchers stationed in remote bases, braving isolation in the name of science. They study the continent's unique environment, its wildlife, and its role in the global climate system. Their work provides valuable insights into the history of our planet and the potential impacts of climate change. Antarctica stands as a testament to the power of nature and the importance of scientific exploration. It is a place of stark beauty, unforgiving conditions, and remarkable resilience. Next, we travel to the heart of South America, to the sprawling Amazon rainforest. Stretching over 2.7 million square miles, this jungle is so dense that sunlight barely touches the forest floor. The Amazon is often called the lungs of the planet because it produces 20% of the Earth's oxygen, but it's also a treasure trove of biodiversity, a living laboratory of evolution. Here, scientists have identified over 390 billion trees and tens of thousands of species, yet much of the rainforest remains unexplored. New species are constantly being discovered, from brightly colored insects to elusive mammals. Hidden within its depths are isolated tribes, people who have had little to no contact with the outside world. They have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries, their lives intertwined with its rhythms. The Sentinelese are among these uncontacted groups living on their own island, North Sentinel Island, untouched by modern civilization. Their isolation has protected them, but it also makes them incredibly vulnerable. For these tribes, the rainforest is not just a home, it's a way of life. They rely on its resources for food, medicine, and shelter, their knowledge passed down through generations. Their understanding of the forest's intricate web of life is unparalleled, a testament to the enduring connection between humans and the natural world. They navigate its depths with ease, reading its signs and utilizing its bounty. The Amazon's isolation protects its secrets, but it also makes it vulnerable. Logging, mining, and climate change threaten its survival, and with it some of Earth's most unique species and cultures. The rainforest is being cleared at an alarming rate, its delicate ecosystem disrupted by human activities. The loss of the Amazon would have devastating consequences for the entire planet. Protecting the Amazon is not just about conserving biodiversity, it's about safeguarding a vital part of our planet's life support system. It's about respecting the rights of indigenous communities and learning from their wisdom. And now our journey takes us from the lush green depths of the Amazon to a place dramatically different. Imagine an island, a lone volcanic speck, rising from the vast expanse of the South Atlantic Ocean. This is Tristan da Cunha, the most remote inhabited island on our planet. Over 1,500 miles from the nearest continent, Tristan da Cunha stands in defiant isolation. The journey here is not for the faint of heart. Ships battle treacherous seas, buffeted by strong winds and towering waves, a testament to the island's remoteness. Yet despite its isolation, this island is home. A tiny community of 250 souls, all descendants of shipwrecked sailors and adventurers, have built their lives on this volcanic outcrop. They call themselves Tristanians, and for them, this island is their world. Their existence is a testament to human resilience, a harmonious blend of self-sufficiency and community spirit. Life here is simple, dictated by the rhythms of the sea and the seasons. The village of Edinburgh of the Seven Seas, the island's only settlement, huddles at the foot of the towering volcano. A colourful cluster of houses facing the unpredictable ocean. There are no cars on Tristan da Cunha, no paved roads, just a network of paths connecting the islanders to each other and their world. Life here is a world away from the hustle and bustle of our modern lives. Supplies arrive by ship, sometimes weeks or even months apart, a stark reminder of their dependence on the outside world. Fishing boats bob in the harbour, their catch vital for sustenance and trade. But isolation has fostered a unique sense of community. Everyone knows everyone else, their lives intertwined by generations of shared history. Children play freely, their laughter echoing through the village, a testament to the enduring human spirit. This isolation has also preserved a way of life that has vanished from much of the world. The islanders are self-sufficient, growing their own vegetables, raising sheep and relying on the bounty of the sea. It's a life dictated by the natural world, a delicate balance between man and nature. Despite its tranquility, Tristan da Cunha bears the scars of its volcanic origins. The imposing peak serves as a constant reminder of the powerful forces that shaped this island. In 1961, a volcanic eruption forced the evacuation of the entire island. The Tristanians eventually returned, drawn back to their isolated home, rebuilding their lives on the slopes of the volcano that had once threatened their very existence. Their resilience is a testament to the enduring bond between people and place. But Tristan da Cunha is more than just a human story. The island's isolation has made it a haven for wildlife. Millions of seabirds, including the majestic Tristan albatross, the largest flying bird in the world, nest on the cliffs, their calls echoing across the waves. The surrounding waters teem with life. Seals bask on the rocky shores, while whales breach offshore, their giant forms a testament to the richness of this remote ecosystem. Tristan da Cunha is a reminder that even in the most isolated corners of our planet, life finds a way. From the frozen continent of Antarctica, we journey north to the highest mountain range on Earth, the Himalayas. These towering peaks, crowned with snow and ice, pierce the sky, casting long shadows across a land of dramatic contrasts. The air here is thin, the sunlight intense. This is a place of extremes, where temperatures can plummet below freezing at night, only to soar during the day. Survival at these altitudes requires unique adaptations, both for the animals and the people who have lived here for centuries. The Himalayas are more than just mountains. They are a tapestry of different landscapes, each more breathtaking than the last. Rugged glaciers carve their way through valleys, while alpine meadows erupt in a riot of color during the brief summer months. Hidden amongst these peaks are remote villages, home to people who have lived in harmony with this harsh environment for generations. This is a world where the sky seems closer, where the air is charged with a sense of spirituality, and where the mountains themselves seem to whisper ancient secrets on the wind. Join us now as we venture into this awe-inspiring realm, exploring the remarkable ways in which life has adapted to the challenges of living on the roof of the world. High in the Himalayas, tucked away in remote valleys, lie communities that are amongst the most isolated on Earth. Take, for instance, the Zanskar Valley in the Indian Himalayas. Here life is dictated by the rhythms of the seasons. During the winter months, the valley is cut off from the outside world, the only access being a treacherous path across the frozen Zanskar River. This frozen lifeline, known as the Chada Trek, becomes a bridge to the outside world. For weeks, the frozen river becomes a highway used by the Zanskaris to transport goods and connect with the wider world. It is a testament to human resilience, their ability to adapt and survive in the face of extraordinary challenges. But the isolation of the Himalayas is not just a physical phenomenon, it is also a cultural one. These remote communities have, for centuries, developed unique traditions and ways of life, largely untouched by the modern world. Ancient Buddhist monasteries, perched precariously on cliff faces, serve as spiritual centers, their prayers echoing across the valleys. Prayer flags strung across mountain passes flutter in the wind, carrying with them the hopes and aspirations of the people. These colorful banners represent a tangible connection to the spiritual realm, a reminder that even in the most isolated corners of our planet, faith and tradition endure. The Himalayas are not just home to humans. They are also a sanctuary for a remarkable array of wildlife. Animals here have had to evolve remarkable adaptations to survive in this challenging environment where the air is thin and temperatures can fluctuate dramatically. The snow leopard, a master of camouflage, roams the high peaks, its thick fur providing insulation against the biting cold. The Himalayan blue sheep, or baral, nimbly navigates the steep slopes, its sure-footedness a testament to its mastery of this unforgiving terrain. These creatures are a testament to the power of natural selection, their very existence proof of nature's ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. The high-altitude forests of the Himalayas are home to a variety of bird life, their songs echoing through the valleys. The vibrant Himalayan monal, with its iridescent plumage, is a sight to behold, a jewel amongst the rugged landscape. These birds, along with the elusive red panda and the Himalayan black bear, add to the biodiversity of this extraordinary region. The Himalayas are a stark reminder that life, in all its forms, finds a way. From the snow-capped peaks to the hidden valleys, this mountain range pulsates with a raw beauty and an untamed spirit that continues to captivate and inspire. We leave the heights of the Himalayas and journey now to the deepest point on our planet, the Mariana Trench. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, this vast chasm plunges nearly 7 miles beneath the surface, a depth so profound that if you were to place Mount Everest at its bottom, the summit would still be submerged by over a mile of water. The pressure at these depths is immense, over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. It's a hostile environment shrouded in perpetual darkness, where temperatures hover just above freezing. Yet even here, in this alien-like world, life finds a way. Our understanding of this deep-sea environment is still in its infancy. Only a handful of manned submersibles have ever ventured to the bottom of the Mariana Trench, each mission revealing tantalizing glimpses of a world unlike any other. The creatures that inhabit this extreme environment are like something out of science fiction. Bizarre fish with bioluminescent lures, ghostly invertebrates that drift through the darkness, and microscopic organisms that thrive in conditions thought impossible. These are just some of the life forms that have adapted to survive in this most extreme of habitats. The Mariana Trench is a testament to the sheer tenacity of life, a reminder that we have only just begun to scratch the surface of the mysteries that our planet holds. One of the most striking features of life in the Mariana Trench is the phenomenon of bioluminescence. In the absence of sunlight, many creatures have evolved the ability to generate their own light, using it to attract mates, lure prey, or simply illuminate their surroundings. The anglerfish, with its bioluminescent lure, dangling in front of its gaping jaws, is perhaps the most iconic example of this adaptation. Other creatures, like the deep-sea hatchetfish, possess rows of light-producing organs or photophores along their bodies, allowing them to control their visibility in the water column. These shimmering displays of light are a mesmerizing spectacle, a reminder that even in the darkest corners of our planet, beauty can be found. The immense pressure of the Mariana Trench also poses significant challenges to life. Creatures that live here have evolved unique adaptations to withstand these crushing forces. Many deep-sea animals, like the giant amphipod, have bodies that are largely composed of water, allowing them to withstand the pressure without being crushed. Others, like the deep-sea dragonfish, possess specialized proteins that prevent their cells from collapsing under the immense weight of the water column. These adaptations highlight the remarkable ingenuity of nature, its ability to overcome even the most extreme environmental challenges. Despite the advances in deep-sea exploration, the Mariana Trench remains one of the most poorly understood ecosystems on Earth. Every expedition to this remote region yields new discoveries, highlighting just how much we still have to learn about this hidden world. Scientists believe that the trench may hold clues to the origins of life on our planet. Hydrothermal vents, fissures in the Earth's crust that spew out superheated, mineral-rich water have been discovered in the Mariana Trench. These vents support unique ecosystems teeming with life forms that rely on chemosynthesis, the process of converting chemicals into energy rather than sunlight. Studying these chemosynthetic communities could provide insights into the early evolution of life on Earth, a time when life may have first emerged in similar environments. The Mariana Trench may also hold secrets to the future of our planet. As we grapple with the challenges of climate change, understanding how life adapts to extreme environments like the trench could prove invaluable. The Mariana Trench is a stark reminder of the vastness and mystery of our planet. It is a place of extremes, of darkness and light, of immense pressure and delicate beauty. It is a place that continues to challenge our understanding of what it means for life to exist, and a testament to the boundless wonders that await us in the unexplored corners of our world. Our journey to some of Earth's most isolated places has taken us from the frozen wastelands of Antarctica to the dizzying heights of the Himalayas, and finally to the deepest point on our planet, the enigmatic Mariana Trench. These remote corners of our world, often shrouded in myth and legend, stand as testaments to the sheer diversity and resilience of life. We've witnessed how life adapts to even the harshest conditions, from the icy grip of polar winters to the crushing pressure of the ocean depths. These places, seemingly untouched by the hand of man, serve as a powerful reminder of nature's enduring power and the delicate balance that sustains our planet. But our journey doesn't end here. It's up to each and every one of us to continue to explore, to learn, and to protect these fragile ecosystems. For in safeguarding these remote corners of our world, we ultimately protect ourselves. If you've enjoyed this journey to Earth's most isolated places, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Around and Beyond. Let's continue to explore the wonders of our incredible world together.